So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can add watermark in Canva. So first of all, open the Canva app on your PC. Now here, open any image. After this, on the left pane, click on text. Now click on add a text box. Now you can add your text. For example, Tech Yorker. Now once you do this, select the font. Let's say this one. Now after this, you can change the font size. Let's increase it. Now after this, select the text. Now click on this icon. Now you can change the transparency. For example, let's keep it 20% or maybe 15%. And now this is the watermark. You can arrange it anywhere, like at the corner or in between. Now once you do this, you can save the image. For this, click on share. Now click on download. Click on download again and this will save the image. So this is how you can add watermark in Canva. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.